In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix Snapchat application lagging on your older iPhone. So let's just get straight into the video. So there are a couple of things you can go ahead and do so. First is going to be heading into your profile icon, clicking on the settings icon on the top right of your screen. And once you've done that, you want to simply go ahead and look for account actions. And then simply go ahead and click on browser setting right here. Click on clear cache and browsing history. So once you've done that, what you want to do is simply go ahead and open your app store and click on your profile icon. Click on personalized recommendations and clear app usage data. Once you've done that, simply go ahead into your settings, head into general, and then head straight into transfer and reset iPhone. Click on reset and reset all settings. It is as simple as that. I hope this video clarified everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.